Understanding, ripe for the picking, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a particularly colorful phrase, ripe for the picking. This expression is not only vivid but also packed with meaning and history. So, whether you're an English language learner or just someone who loves diving into idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. Ripe for the picking is an idiom that paints a picture of fruit that has matured and is ready to be picked from the tree. But it's not just about fruit. This phrase is often used metaphorically to describe a situation, opportunity, or moment that is fully prepared and at its prime for someone to take advantage of. It suggests that the timing couldn't be better for action, akin to how ripe fruit is at its best stage for harvesting. While the exact origin of ripe for the picking is not pinpointed, it's clear that the phrase borrows from the agricultural practice of harvesting fruit at its peak of ripeness. This metaphorical leap from agriculture to describing opportune moments in life showcases the human tendency to use natural, tangible phenomena to explain more abstract concepts. It's a testament to how language evolves and adapts, drawing from everyday experiences. To fully grasp the usage of ripe for the picking, let's look at a few examples. 1. Job market. With the tech industry booming, skilled programmers are ripe for the picking. 2. Real estate. After the market downturn, several properties were ripe for the picking, offering great value to buyers. 3. Opportunities. With the competitors lagging, our company is ripe for the picking to lead the market. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, from career opportunities to market conditions, highlighting its versatility and richness. For English language learners, understanding and using idioms like ripe for the picking is crucial for achieving fluency and sounding more like a native speaker. Idioms add color to your language and help you convey meanings in a more nuanced and culturally relevant way. Plus, they can be fun to use and learn. We hope this exploration of ripe for the picking has been enlightening and enriching for your English language journey. Remember, language learning is an adventure filled with discoveries, and idioms like these are the treasures you collect along the way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the beautiful world of English. Happy learning!